boy. Lifting stock cars is the best thing in the world. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Bobby, hi.
Hi.
Gary, hi. You want to tell them what we're about to bang out on this car?
Well, we're gonna do something I cried about last week.
Yes.
So embarrassing.
I was gonna start working on the Duramax today. You know that?
Yeah, I know.
I'm pushing my whole life back to work on your game.
Thanks, baby.
You're welcome. So today, we are going to be lowering this car down on some coilovers. Should we go find the coils? So we picked up some Yellow Speed Racing coilovers, as you guys know, for Bobby's STI. We have been slapping these coils on everything these days. We have them on the Blue Evo 8, we have them on the Black Evo 8, we have them on Gary. We're gonna put them on the Duramax. Good job, it was a good test. Can I help?
Yes.
All right, boys, right off the bat, we do have a discount code if you want to save 10% off these things. So with the discount code, which is Devin Niemela, you can get these things for about I think it's under $900 shipped. You hear that? Why are you not speaking?
Because I was in deep thought about how this is gonna look on my car.
If you guys want to pick up a set, I'll have a first link down in the description box below with the discount code to buy these guys. These are the Dynamic Pro Sports. They do have higher end models, and they do offer big brake kits as well.
Ooh.
That's pretty litty. But yeah, these are the Dynamic Pro Sports, and these are the same exact ones you run on the Blue 8 and the Black 8. All right, let's do it. So Bobby's gonna be helping me out today, apparently, right?
Well, yeah, it's my car. I help.
Oh yeah. All right, so you can pull off the wheels. Dude, you're getting down there on tires. How many miles have we put on this car?
I don't really know.
I think we put like 500,000 on it already. You want to take off the whole strut by yourself?
If you want me to.
I'll walk you through it. It's very simple.
What?
These calipers are crusty. All right, so what you're gonna want to do? Come here.
I'm right here.
Okay. So we have this lower strut mount, a bolt right there, a bolt right there. This is ABS that unclips. This is brake line, 12mm bolt. So take all that off, and then you'll go up top. There'll be 3 nuts. Okay, and then that'll remove the whole strut, and then you can look at it.
Okay.
You got it? Good job.
Okay, this one over here. I need a 12 mil. Do I need to like hold up on anywhere?
No, that's just the brake line.
Okay. I need to take these off right here.
Yes. You need to hold the strut, or else the strut's gonna fall and it could put to come out and.
So can I just hold it up from like right here?
Anywhere's fine.
Am I gonna burn myself? It's like hot.
No, you're fine. There you go.
Oh, these are freaking hot. Out with the old.
Good job.
Thanks.
You're a genius. What do you think of the Bilsteins?
They look really like beefy, don't they?
They're a pretty solid suspension setup.
Yeah.
Bobby just pulled out the stock strut. Right now we're gonna throw in an inner fender. It's like a few months, like 2 or 3 months ago, we were driving and the inner fender just went pew, flying down the highway. So we picked up a new one. We're gonna slap it in real quick. And then, you wanna put in the new coilover as well?
Yeah, why not?
She's gonna put in the new
I just
coilover.
wanna do this side though, then you put it.
Oh, this is sick. An inner fender. Damn, she's beautiful.
These are the rears. These ones are the smaller ones, right? Mm-hmm. Why are you laughing?
It's just really cute how you know.
Well, if I'm right, then it's not cute, it's cool.
Cool.
This guy.
Yep, you're done. So take those 3 top hat nuts off, slide it up and hold it and just throw them back on. So this has to run like that.
Facing towards your car?
It goes like this. This is camber adjustment. You know what camber is?
Yeah.
It makes your wheel go.
So this has to go to the side.
So what would that be? Perpendicular?
Wait, how is it supposed to go like perpendicular when the holes aren't like that?
It'll fit. You might need to rotate it 180. See? Slide it up.
Oh.
Good job.
I need to work out more. My hand is killing me.
Alright, you ready for step 2?
Yeah, I'm sweaty. That was a workout for me.
So since we put the coilover on, right, and it's a lot. What?
Look how good that looks.
It looks gonna look better if we ever do yellow brakes. Or we're doing red.
I don't know yet. I can't make up my mind.
She's been deciding for 8 months now.
Like the new green color? Like the new STI green color?
That's what you want?
Or red.
What about yellow? Like my yellow?
No.
She doesn't like my yellow. Let's move on with our lives. So being that this is so much shorter, right? We're gonna have to grab a jack and jack up the lower control arm because as of right now, that's gonna be really hard to lift that up. And you can probably do it if you're jacked.
Well, we can work together. You can lift and I can put in the pin.
You want to?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. The top one is your camber bolt.
Okay.
So you see how that's eccentric?
Oh, yeah.
So grab that.
And this is what goes on the other end.
Yeah. That ain't gonna happen.
Really?
It's on a sway bar. We disconnected the sway bar, yeah? Now when it's ready.
Wait, go down.
Down?
Like a hair. Got her.
Got her? Okay. And the bottom one goes in. Push, 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 push. Got her. Got her good. Got her real good. Wow. So the top one always gets the washer.
Oh.
Camber bolt gets the washer. Look at Bob. Look at Uncle Bob. Can I hire you full time as my mechanic?
Yeah.
This right here is a camber bolt, and you can adjust camber up top. This, we can just set neutral right in between, zero this out. And then if we need to mess with camber, which obviously we don't need to, but if we do, we can mess with it up top. Sound good? Mm-hmm. All right, now all you have is your brake line and the ABS line, and then the 3 nuts up top, and your wheel goes back on. Just sit like that. We're done with the first coilover install, or Bobby's done, I guess.
How did I do?
9 out of 10. Could use a little help on the seed, but you know, not bad at all.
It's my first time.
I know, I'm giving you poop. What I'm gonna do right now, before we put the wheel back on, is clean the caliper because it's dirty, and I don't like that. Just get her a little nice and oh, how satisfactory.
Cleaning with my brake. Babe, didn't you order the?
Wheels are very, very dirty. We're gonna give them a good old rinse. So we're all finished up at the front. Rear is actually more simple than the front. There's no brake lines, no nothing to deal with. There's one bolt on the bottom. So if you pull back this paneling, 2 14mm nuts, pop those off, and we're done. Let's do a little side-by-side action. Would you like to explain the differences?
Okay, the difference is this spring is compressed a lot and this one's not.
Anything else?
The ball is different on the bottom.
Okay. You want to talk about how this one spins, that one doesn't?
This one spins and the other one doesn't.
Alright,
Like
sick.
that?
Good review. I appreciate your services. Now you can go back to the casting couch.
That's all you wanted me to do? Honey.
Rear's very simple. They're both the same, left to right. The fronts are not. They're very similar on the fronts. The brake line and ABS line brackets are on opposite sides though. So rear's identical. Let's bang it out. Oh, and also I did have to pull off the sway bar, or unbolt the sway bar and unbolt the hub to get the lower control arm down enough to get the old bummy strut out. But with a new minty coilover, you wouldn't have to do that. That's cool. Good job, you're just a smart cookie, I can't trick you. What's that, you dirty? Good. All right, so I've decided, since Bobby is taking a while to figure out a caliper color, I'm gonna go ahead and ceramic coat them while they're clean. I like the silver when it's clean, actually, it's pretty sick. So all we're gonna do is grab some IPA, isopropyl alcohol, squirt it here on this guy, get these things extra clean. I'm gonna call that good. Being that we're coating brakes, I don't really use this block. I just put it on my finger because there's so many different areas, like weird crevices and cracks, you know? Like I said earlier, very hard to get in every little area, but I did the best I could. 2 to 3 minutes, wipe it down, slap the wheel on, or the wheel spacer. We're doing spacers today, 15 mil spacers, as Bobby has requested. All right, baby, you ready for spacers?
Frick yeah, hold on.
Made in China.
You got new ones?
Yeah, I just bought them.
What?
You dig them? You like them? Pretty nice?
Yeah, those are so nice.
They're billet forged aluminum.
Okay.
And you know, do you know where they go?
Are you shooting me? Stick out a little bit more so it's more fuego.
That's my word.
I know, I stole it.
No, mine. 15 mil on a 15 plus STI is kind of the move that everyone makes. 25 mil, you know, you might just start crumpling some fenders. All right, let's wipe down the caliper, get this torqued down, stop on the wheel, get her on the ground, and we're gonna have to adjust your height a lot. So do you want a high or low?
Low.
Like slammed?
Like how my gen was. My Genesis was so low.
Yeah, I know. Why would you have a rally car? Like, why would you lower a rally car?
Well, that's just what I want. It's my style.
I vibe with it. Wait, what? No way. Spacers aren't gonna work.
Why?
Bought the wrong ones. Alright, so I messed up. I bought wheel spacers that are like a 70 millimeter center bore for some reason. And I'm pretty sure Subaru's 56.1 millimeters center bore. So I'm gonna have to buy new ones. Sorry, babe.
It's okay. I can wait.
Okay. At least we got coilovers on.
I'm gonna look like your FRS driving around.
We are about ready to set her on the ground. It already looks like the rear is gonna be pretty dang low. Front, not so much. But I guess we'll see when you get on the ground.
Ooh, that rear though.
Oh, she's slamming into the rear.
That's so much.
So, what do you want?
Oh, definitely some camber.
Wait, what?
Camber? We need it sticking out, not like this. It literally.
You want negative camber on slackers?
Well, I don't freaking know. What do you mean negative camber?
Do you want shit up and down?
No.
Or cambered out?
Cambered out. A little bit. Like the back one's cambered. Look.
Okay, I'll camber your stock wheels. You know, come here. Come here. Give me a hug. I'm not trying to make fun of you. I just thought it was silly.
But you asked what I wanted.
I was thinking about height wise. What do you want? Camber. Higher or lower?
Like a half-inch lower.
Half-inch lower in the front?
Yeah.
What about the rear? The rear is slammed. I'm gonna say like an inch up in the rear for sure.
Yeah.
Up an inch in the rear, down half-inch in the front is Bobby's current specifications.
Look at her, she's never been this low before.
1 degree of camber all around. Damn low. that what you want?
Well, yeah.
Okay, these, come here, follow me. So how do you want them? Stiff or hard? Or stiff or soft?
Middle, in between.
Right in the center? That's a perfect height for stock wheels. Looks really good. Throw some 15 mils on there. If I can figure out how to order the right ones, it'll be perfect.
Oh, yeah.
You dig it?
Yeah, it looks so good.
Nice little subtle drop
Yeah.
for the boys.
Not too crazy, but I feel like it'll look better with new wheels and...
With new wheels, we're gonna have to probably mess up height. I wanna go home.
I know you do, babe. You're hungry. Hangry.
Should we go drive it? Let's go, Rip. You drive. We can feel the road once again. Whoa. Whoa.
Wow, she handles kind of good. It's different. It almost feels like it's modded out.
What do you think? You dig?
Yeah, I dig it.
Rate it out of 10.
7. Do you want to know why? Well, it's only because I want the spacers on it.
No, we're rating the coilovers, not the spacers.
Oh, then 10 out of 10. No, honestly, like, I feel like I've never ridden on nicer ones before.
Yeah, I say it all the time.
Yeah,
pretty
they're freaking nice.
Dope.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Well, sick. Thanks for letting me use your car.
Yes.
I'm joking. You're supposed to say thank you to me for installing coilovers.
I already did. Thank you, babe.
For?
Installing everything on my car.
Sorry your spacers didn't work out. Dope guys, hope you enjoyed. These will fit a 2015 plus WRX or STI, and they have coilovers for like, I always say coilovers. And they have coilovers for thousands of different models. Thousands, and big brake kits. So if you guys want to pick up a set of your own Yellow Speed Racing coilovers, I will have it linked down below. Discount code is
Devin Niemela.
Should I-
Devin Niemela.
Good job. It'll save you 10% off. Okay,
Peace out, bye.